Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining the first of Spaceman's multi-part training series. My name is Tyler, and in this class, we are going to introduce you to the Spaceman brand, what we do, how we do it, and what sets us apart. In this class, we'll be going over most topics at a high level to give you a basic understanding of our products, services, and resources with a goal of setting you up with a solid foundation for the rest of the online classes that we offer. If you're just looking for some information on how to operate, maintain, or troubleshoot your Spaceman equipment and would like to skip ahead, we'll post links to the next classes in the video description down below. Otherwise, let's get started. Spaceman is a leading manufacturer of commercial soft-serve ice cream and frozen beverage equipment. Before we look at the different machines that we make, I will first give you a little background about our company. Spaceman began manufacturing commercial ice machines in 1991 and transitioned to designing and manufacturing soft-serve equipment in 1997. For the past 25 years, we have been constantly growing and perfecting our equipment, services, and resources. We have main offices in the United States and Asia that support sales to over 130 countries across 6 continents. At Spaceman, we design, manufacture, and assemble all of our parts and equipment in-house using state-of-the-art CNC tooling, lean processes, and exceptional quality control. This allows us to produce a wide range of equipment at affordable prices without a reduction in component or build quality. We believe that what's inside the machine matters. Our engineers design our equipment to keep service easy and affordable so that you can be confident your equipment is built to last for the long run. Inside our equipment, you'll find components from the best suppliers around the globe, such as Siemens, Schneider, Tecumseh, Marathon, and many others. We don't cut corners on our build quality either. All machines use high-strength powder-coated steel frames for durability, and all components are laid out to minimize wiring and refrigeration complexities, which minimizes common wiring failure and refrigeration leak points. All of these things help keep our equipment up and running longer and minimize downtime for our customers. Speaking of minimizing downtime, we take a different approach to how we share information about our equipment. We are not shy about publishing and sharing all the documentation, resources, guides, and troubleshooting necessary to operate, maintain, and service your Spaceman equipment. We have an entire class in the future dedicated to diving further into all of the online resources we make available to our customers and service partners. From training materials to parts lists to service guides, we want to make sure that you always have access to the information you need to keep your equipment running its best, and we do not lock you into using only our service technicians. Now that you've got some background about the company, let's take a further look at the equipment we make. As I mentioned before, Spaceman focuses on manufacturing commercial soft-serve ice cream and frozen uncarbonated beverage equipment. On our website and documentation, you'll see that we feature a core lineup of 5 soft-serve models and 6 frozen beverage models in the United States, and a few additional models available internationally. These are our base models. Within each category, our base models can be configured with additional options such as an air pump, pasteurization, which is sometimes referred to as heat treatment, water cooling, spindle mixers, autofill, and many others. Some popular options, such as air pump for soft-serve machines, are kept in stock for quick shipment, while other options and configurations are built to order. Whenever you see letters at the end of our model numbers, these letters represent the various options that are installed on a base model. If you'd like more information about what options are available for each base model, we'll cover those in more detail in the soft-serve and frozen beverage introduction training classes that are linked in the description down below. Now let's take a further look into our soft-serve lineup. Spaceman soft-serve machines are available in either single flavor or 2 flavor with a twist in the middle. We offer models with standard, medium, and high output capacities with both countertop and floor standing options available. Soft-serve machines are designed to produce a variety of products from frozen yogurt to standard soft-serve, sorbets, premium soft-serve, soft gelato, soft custard, and many more. All models come standard as a gravity fed, where product simply flows from the storage hopper down into the freezing cylinder. Most models also have an air pump option available, where a pump mixes the product with air before injecting it into the freezing cylinder. The air pump option cannot be added after the fact, so if you're unsure which option is best for which situations, please refer to the soft-serve introduction class linked in the video description down below. When choosing and operating a soft-serve machine, it is important to size it for the busiest hour of the busiest day of the week. In some cases, it may be necessary to have multiple machines to achieve the desired output capacity for the busiest times. To help make sure our customers get the right machine, we publish a sizing guide with conservative recommendations for output capacity for every model that we sell. Serving too much or too little product for any given machine can cause issues with the equipment or product quality. Most of these issues, like product going soft or flat during slow periods in a high output model, can be overcome by changes to operational procedures. Other issues, such as cylinder starvation, may require a larger machine to overcome. We will look more into this in the soft serve introduction class. However, in general, you just want to keep your soft serve machine sized to your peak serving times for optimal performance and the best experience. Different size soft serve machines have different power requirements in 110 volt and 220 volt power ranges. Each model's power requirement is outlined on the machine specification sheet on our website or on the nameplate on the side or rear of the machine. Each machine requires a dedicated electrical circuit sized appropriately for that machine. If you place a soft serve machine on a shared electrical circuit with other equipment, or a circuit with improper voltage, it will not work correctly and could potentially damage the machine. We're going to quickly go over the standard model lineup that we keep in stock in the United States. These are the most popular machines we make. However, we do have additional models available in certain international markets and for special order in the United States if needed. The 6210 is our smallest standard output soft serve machine. Available for 110 volt power in the United States, it is our most popular single flavor countertop model that fits many applications. This model is narrow and fits on most any countertop. In order to maintain such a small size, many configuration options are not available for this model, and it is typically only sold in standard configuration. Our other single flavor soft serve option is the high output 6236. Available in the 220 volt power range, this countertop model is designed for locations doing large servings and a lot of volume. This machine is very versatile, capable of handling everything from large dispenses for blended milkshakes to large dipped cones with the air pump configuration to high volume frozen yogurt shops. Most every configuration option is available for this model. On the two flavor side, we start our lineup with the 6235 and the 6250. These models are identical as medium output capacity, with the 6235 being designed for the counter and the 6250 designed as a floor standing unit. Both of these models are designed for the 220 volt single phase power range and work great for anyone looking to add a second flavor with the flavor twist feature. These two models have some of the highest output capacity on the market for their size and price point and are available in either gravity or air pump configuration. For a high output capacity 2 flavor model, we offer the 6378. This model is exclusively a floor standing unit and available with every configuration option from gravity to air pump, pasteurization, etc. This model is also available in either 220 volt single phase or 220 volt 3 phase power ranges in order to accommodate most existing building requirements. Like the 6236, this machine is very versatile. It is capable of handling everything from large dispenses for blended milkshakes to large dipped cones in the air pump configuration to high volume frozen yogurt and other types of ice cream shops. If you'd like more information on choosing the right soft serve model, understanding how different products will operate in different models and configurations, please skip ahead to the soft serve introduction class where we'll dive into the different products and overrun and viscosity in a lot more detail. On the other side of our lineup is frozen beverage equipment. Similar to soft serve, Spaceman frozen beverage machines are available in either single flavor or 2 flavor. However, there is no flavor twist feature on frozen beverage equipment. We offer models in standard, medium, and high output capacities with both countertop and floor standing options available. The machines we're covering here are for uncarbonated beverages like slushies, margaritas, daiquiris, smoothies, milkshakes, etc. Frozen beverage machines also have a sizing guide to help determine the appropriate size of machine for a given operation. While it's important to choose a machine size that matches the busiest hour of the busiest day, it is also important to consider the size of the frozen drinks that will be served. Larger drink offerings will be best served from our larger capacity and larger cylinder machines. In some cases, it is beneficial to have multiple machines to handle large orders where it is required to dispense several large frozen drinks at one time. Spaceman frozen beverage machines also have different power requirements in the 110 volt and 220 volt power ranges. Each model's power requirement is outlined on the machine specification sheet available on our website or on the nameplate on the side or rear of each machine. Each machine requires a dedicated electrical circuit sized appropriately for that machine. Just like soft serve, if you place a frozen beverage machine on a shared electrical circuit with other equipment, or a circuit with improper voltage, it will not work correctly and could potentially damage the machine. Spaceman frozen beverage machines have some additional options available that are not available on soft serve, such as light boxes, autofill, and remote cooling. Next, we'll go over the standard frozen beverage model lineup that is available in the United States and internationally. On the single flavor side, we have 3 offerings, all of which are countertop models. First up, the 6450 is our most economical machine, offering a standard output capacity and designed specifically for non-dairy offerings, such as slushies, margaritas, etc. The 6450 is designed to fit on almost any counter and is a great first start for customers looking to add a frozen drink to their menu or ditching their blenders. Next up on the single flavor side is the medium output 6650. The 6650 is also a small-sized offering available in the 110 volt power range in the United States. It is our most popular single-flavor frozen beverage machine. Compared to the 6450, it features a larger freezing cylinder and a refrigerated hopper, making it suitable for dairy as well as larger-sized drink dispenses. For a high-output single-flavor offering, we have the 6690, which is the best machine for our busiest customers. This machine features the largest storage hopper, and in the 220 volt power range, it can produce large quantities of frozen drinks very quickly. The 6690 is also equipped with a larger motor, so if you add an air tube to this machine, it becomes capable of producing ready-to-drink milkshakes. Our frozen beverage 2-flavor offering also consists of 3 models. You can think of these models as basically double the output of their single-flavor counterparts. First up is the 6455. It is our most economical standard output 2-flavor frozen beverage machine. Like the 6450, this countertop machine is in the 110 volt power range and fits on most any counter. It is great for customers wanting multiple flavors for their frozen drink offering. This machine is suitable for dairy products, however, and has hopper refrigeration to maximize its output potential. The 6695 is our most popular 2-flavor frozen beverage machine. It is a great medium to high output capacity countertop model. You'll find this model in a lot of bars, restaurants, and quick service restaurants that require high volume or large size frozen drinks. For our busiest customers, we have the 6795, which is our highest output floor standing offering. It is capable of handling the volume of even the busiest drive-thrus. The 6795 is available as a single or dual plug configuration in the 220 volt single phase power range. It is also equipped with larger motors, making it capable of producing ready-to-drink milkshakes, just like the 6690. Now that you have a better understanding of Spaceman and the equipment that we produce, I want to spend a few minutes quickly going over how we operate in our customer support and what's coming up next in this training series. In the United States, you'll find that Spaceman machines are available through restaurant equipment dealers and distributors. As the manufacturer, we do not sell equipment direct. However, we are always here to support the sale and service of our equipment. Choosing the right machine, whether it be soft serve or frozen beverage, can be difficult, and our team is always here to help. While we strive to make our equipment and resources as simple and approachable as possible, we also know that operating or servicing soft serve and frozen beverage machines can be intimidating or daunting. For that reason, we have an entire customer success team and an extensive onboarding process that is dedicated and designed to support and give our customers the best possible experience with their Spaceman purchase. Our team is trained to help get our customers to the right information and solve their issues as quickly as possible. Recently, we have digitized and simplified a lot of our cleaning steps and operational resources into mobile-friendly step-by-step guides. There's no more having to pause and rewind a video or trying to read an extensive service manual. All guides for our machines are simple to use, easy to follow, and include animated pictures, links to documentation if more information is needed, and helpful tips and tricks along the way. We strongly encourage all of our customers to get familiar with these new online tools and integrate and share them with their managers and staff that are operating the equipment. These online guides are the best and fastest way to bring new employees up to speed on how to properly clean, operate, and maintain their Spaceman machine with as little training as possible. These guides go further than just cleaning and operating the equipment. Running into issues with a soft serve or frozen beverage machine is inevitable. Most of the time, it's no big deal. At some point, someone will forget to fill the machine with product, or forget to properly prime the freezing cylinder, and they'll experience a freeze up or some other basic machine issue that is easily fixable. We've got those situations covered as well. No matter what Spaceman machine you have, we have a single guide that will help our customers or service technicians troubleshoot and resolve any problem with any Spaceman machine. We refer to this guide as a functionality check, but what it really is a quick 10-minute check that anyone can run without any tools to see if the equipment and all of the internal components are working correctly or not. If you get to the end of this troubleshooting guide, you can be confident that your machine is working correctly. If you don't, you'll know what your likely issue is and what steps to take to resolve the problem. What this means for our customers is less downtime and lower cost. In most cases, problems can be resolved without the need for a service technician. If there is an equipment problem, having run through this troubleshooting guide first will greatly increase the chance of a first visit service fix and getting the machine back up and running faster. We are constantly working to update all of our resources to be the most user-friendly and easy to use in the industry. We strongly encourage all of our customers and service partners to always check our website for the latest and most up-to-date resources available. We'll put links to these resources in the video description down below, and we strongly encourage you to bookmark and share these links with your entire team. At the end of the day, we understand that our customers are busy and often don't have time to utilize all of the resources that we have available, and that's okay too. What sets Spaceman apart from our competition is that we are easy to work with and flexible to meet our customers' needs. In the United States, we have a variety of service options available to our customers, and we do our best to understand what type of service level our customers desire during our onboarding process. We offer everything from managed service options and subscription preventative maintenance packages to providing our customers with contacts at our local service partners in their area, or even working with our customer's preferred service partner, even if that service partner is outside of our network. Regardless of how you want to service and maintain your Spaceman machine, we're here to help you maintain or repair your equipment. We do not lock our customers into requiring that they must use our service network to service their machine. That allows our customers to have the most flexibility to get the fastest service possible with the least amount of downtime and cost. We have worked hard to make our equipment and resources easy enough to service and utilize that any technician that works on commercial appliances can repair most things in our equipment. In cases involving refrigeration system repair, any certified or licensed refrigeration technician will also be able to understand and repair our equipment. Ultimately, no matter what kind of service our customers want, we have a solution to meet their needs. I hope this training class has been a valuable introduction into Spaceman, the products and services that we offer, and a little insight into what sets us apart. Up next in our training series, we have our soft serve and frozen beverage introduction videos, where we'll dive further into how these Spaceman machines work, identify all of the parts and configuration options, show you how to clean and maintain machines, and some of the best practices for the most success. If you're having issues with your Spaceman machine and are looking for help, I highly recommend starting with the introduction video for your machine type first, and then checking out the functionality check training afterwards. Links for all future training classes are in the video description down below. If you have any questions about Spaceman or would like some more information, please feel free to contact our success team at any time. We're always here to help. Thank you for joining me, and have a great rest of your day.